Ladies and gentlemen, welcome. Today we did something truly special. It was the first Coin Connect with Bujeti here in Lagos, Nigeria.
For me, control is guidelines, giving guidelines within which people can perform an action or even think.
Talent is one of the most important critical factors of success in a business. If you don't hire the right talent, you end up doing the work yourself and you will not be able to scale that business.
So it's not just hiring, there's also the right policies, there's also your succession planning, because your productivity can come to a halt if 3 of your key staff resign.
Bujeti will power businesses because they help you put control and systems in place and allow you to have a clear focus and direction of your business